Engineers, hello.
Igati ya chisukuru chia boroso ime ye bunge ya kituo cha South ritkulia rego niko chienyorera emepire kugosolia bunenjira yamo yo kuyarigania aza chigosoli chietamu ya kabire.
Kwa hivyo
Kaukona chingaki alenge kubwatoka emepire yo gochia aza chisukuru echio omonchorolia Patrick Lumumba nigasegeta abaroke gwakoromokia asamasomo naboigo korokia amaskani gochiase abarokia naboigo abantu bonsi.
And to tell you that at one time I was as little as this boy here. I listened to my teachers, I did my homework, and those days we did not have electricity, we did not have pressure lamp, we had, I don't know what it's called. How many of you know Ekebea?
Negetambukoro ekikianyara kabageko gokerwa na aborokia na boigo aborokigwa bechskuru echio.
We are thanking you too. I'm seeing the Ufanisi team.
Ase egati echskuru echio nigokonya bagutumika emepira emegotu na inde ejuere ya masakara kogosoria egento getalikoba omoyo.
The balls you are using. So we decided as Ufanisi to give you real balls.
Lumumba nigatabna nigaragendere kubwatoka ogosira bunokwo gochiaze chisukuru chie bunge ya kituo cha Saudi ase amatuko alemosio.
Sisi tumetoka Ufanisi. Tunaitwa timu Ufanisi. Nani anacheza bola hapa sana?
Haron Ototo Nyaingiri, Gatembe TV.